This is Doug. He's a good dude and a great dad.
There you go, kiddo.
But right now, Doug has a problem.
Honey, you almost ready?
Yep, just about.
You see, like many people, Doug has absolutely no idea how to properly balance the tongue weight on his trailer hitch. And because Doug worries about the safety of his family, as much as the typical dad, this is something Doug worries about a lot, every time he loads his trailer. The term tongue weight refers to the amount of downward force the tongue of your trailer places on the tow ball of your trailer hitch. Too much tongue weight will apply excessive pressure downward on your tow ball. On the other hand, too little tongue weight will fail to create a sufficient amount of downward force. Either one can create difficulty steering, braking, and gaining traction, which can lower your towing performance and cause your trailer to sway. Even worse, either one can lead to losing control of your vehicle or result in your trailer separating from your vehicle entirely. In fact, in the past 20 years, it's been estimated that more than 500,000 trailer-related accidents have occurred in the U.S. alone. And that's why Doug is prepared to do just about anything to ensure his trailer is properly balanced.
Dad, why are you using Mom's bathroom scale?
Guys, this is what they say to do on YouTube. Okay, I got this. Oh, don't tell Mom.
Fortunately, Doug found a safe way to balance his trailer load. A Weigh Safe way. Weigh Safe is the revolutionary trailer hitch that accurately measures your trailer's tongue weight for you. Simply hook up your trailer, and that's it. Weigh Safe's patented aluminum adjustable ball mount is one of many Weigh Safe hitches that come equipped with a built-in gauge, providing you with an accurate measurement every time you couple your trailer. So, instead of burning through bathroom scales or having to take a trip to the weigh station, Doug can simply hook up his trailer and be certain that his tongue weight is within 10 to 15% of his gross trailer weight, ensuring a smooth and safe towing experience every time. Now, Doug is happier and more confident, secure in the knowledge that his family is protected by the best ball hitch on the market. It's not that Doug is any smarter, it's that he doesn't have to be any smarter. This is true towing peace of mind, so Doug can relax and enjoy the ride. Start towing safely today. Visit safetowing.com.